journey is something that we as a family have witnessed and seen and learned from. So just keeping the context to the book, some 30 years ago I was in an auditorium and the famous architect Mr. Charles Correa said, you read a book and start not from chapter 1 but from chapter 0. So what is chapter 0? What is behind? What is the context? What is the thought behind chapter 1 becoming chapter 1? And it is that philosophy that has driven all of the work that she has done, that her firm has done, questioning every project, researching every project from not what has been done, but what it should be, how it should be. And that has been through and through the essence of every work that has been done. So just that and from So I take this opportunity first of all to express my gratitude to all the respected speakers, N.C. Bajpayee uncle, Atul Uppaji, and Padya uncle, Trisha ji. Thank you so much. That was very insightful and very personal. So it struck a chord. Books in the past by architects where one project has an entire book dedicated to the project. But to encapsulate a body of work that has lasted 5 decades into a book is a big thing, and I thank you for making that effort to make this happen. I thank this August gathering, all the eminent professionals, our well-wishers, friends, family, colleagues, many of you, in fact, almost all of you in some way have contributed to this book, either as a client or as an associate, as a consultant, as a well-wisher. So there is a little bit of everyone in this room, in this book, I'm sure, and you would connect to it that way because as Padya said that architecture is art and science, and I think what I have also seen is that it's also human relations, and so those relations I have seen carried through where clients became friends, where we became friends with their children, and it's carried on for generations. So that's another beautiful aspect of it, and it is reflected in this beautiful gathering today, where every seat is full and everyone is connected to what is happening here on stage. Thank you for that, everyone. Media plays a very important role as a bridge between literature and society. I thank all our friends and representatives from media who are here. Thank you for being here. For anchoring the event, Umesh, thank you so much. Nobody could have done a better job than you, knowing your association since 1981 to today. So I think for a book which is spanning 5 decades, there couldn't have been a better anchor. Thank you. Lastly, I'll just thank the author, my mother, my architect, our architect as a family, whatever we are because of her, and for putting together a life's work into this book. And we hope that this book will provide an insight into the process-driven architecture that is her USP, that is the key ingredient she has given as a gift to the world of architecture, is to go into the depth of things and design as it should be, what it should be. So on that note, thank you everyone, and please do join us for high tea, and do please collect a copy of the book from. Thank you so much.